Each bird letters a plumed warning, casting its capture on sounding beaked transcriptions, static snares, skinned by mouth, warding, offsetting, scraping the syrinx, sawdust, cotton wool, scaling frictions of a bullet shocked in feathers. Stir, stir, feather stir, press uniforms that last. Subtract the gap between, lasting ever, lasting lesson, never lasting. On the brink, talon dipped in ink. What inscriptions he made, scored bark, clenched air, last beats clasped, last gasp, penned in your path, carbon dust locked in ice. I am full of straw, I am full of rough hands that made me, another's face in my throat, another's mouth on my wing, another holding my breath, startling my image, heaving my liveliness, composed again, a replay calling, folding in ghost skin. Hushed air stills around the valley, in cupboards, on the recording, as all of you empties on the table. The wind hangs heavy, side-glancing the sky, holding form, spell-casting with wet feet, blue as veins. Can you stand it? Standing just, tilted off axis, cloud scratching, eyes wide. Hovering just, pressing up. Present against what presence hides.